Welcome to Cooking with Heaven. Today I'm going to be making cheddar broccoli, and this is what it looks like. Now the ingredients that I have is a pan, 2 cups of water, milk, and butter. So first we're going to start with the milk. First we're going to start with the water. You gotta make sure that the water does not, that the water doesn't, like overfill. Put a little bit. Then we're gonna pour the milk in. Now we're gonna put the butter in. Now we're gonna put the cheddar broccoli in. And then we're going to mix it up. Now we're going to mix it up with a whisk. And you gotta make sure that you whisk very slow, because if you whisk very fast, the juice will go everywhere, and we have to be very slow. So when you mix, you gotta be very slow. You gotta mix it like this for a little while.